Welcome to OMents. Stay tuned. This is OMents. Holy smokes, you guys are not gonna believe this. 1 minute, everything's chill, and then, bam! It's like a mini tornado, or some freak gust of wind just slams in out of nowhere. Look at that bakery window rattling like crazy. The force of that wind is just insane. Let's see what happens next, because I guarantee you, your jaw is gonna drop. Wow, time to go to the coolest place on the earth. This is the beauty of the land of the penguins. Isn't that amazing? Whoa! Nature's power unleashed. This mudslide is absolutely devastating, tearing through everything in its path. It's a stark reminder of how quickly things can change. But hold on. Amidst all this chaos, we've got a heart-wrenching scene. This poor pup is caught in the floodwaters fighting for his life. The current is strong, but he's not giving up. You can see the sheer determination in his eyes. Come on, buddy, you got this. This is pure survival instinct at its finest. This tidal bore is no joke, folks. The ice that attacked the shore made a huge wall, and now a moment of pure frozen beauty. Check out this incredible lake, covered in these crazy, awesome ice formations. It's like nature's own art gallery, a masterpiece sculpted by the cold. These mammotus clouds are wild, right? They look like giant cotton balls hanging from the sky, a sign of a powerful storm system. Nature's full of surprises, that's for sure. But wait, there's more. The earth is shaking, and it's not holding back. Cracks are opening up, buildings are trembling. It's a real-life earthquake.
人汤都凹下去了。啊，3蹦几年。放出来的，给你。哎呀。哎。
Look at the beautiful sunset in the sea. It's a fishing boat surrounded by seagulls, and after that, an orca follows them.
哇，这个确实太猛了！义乌的冰雹确实太猛了。
There's beauty even in the raw power of nature. Wow. strikes a volcano that is erupting, beautiful and terrifying. And check out this wave. Crystal clear water, a perfect barrel. It's a surfer's dream and a photographer's paradise. From ice to fire, and from the depths of the ocean to the top of the sky, our planet is a place of constant change and incredible extremes. Check out this insane tidal bore. It's like the ocean itself is rising up in anger. But the water's not the only threat. Now we're talking about a full-blown storm with winds that are absolutely howling. It's like the air itself is screaming. And to top it all off, bam, lightning strikes. Jagged bolts of pure electricity ripping through the sky, illuminating the darkness with terrifying flashes. Whoa! But amidst the chaos, we saw resilience, rescues, and breathtaking beauty. A reminder of nature's power and the strength of life. This isn't just entertainment. It's a wake-up call to respect our planet and be prepared for anything. So remember the lessons learned, appreciate the wonders around you, and hit that subscribe button. OMents, where we find the extraordinary, even in the face of the extreme. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Oments for more incredible moments of nature's fury.